Hello students, we have completed exercise 6.1 of line and plane. Okay, so our next point is distance of a point from a line. Okay, so for that let's see some formulas regarding to this point. First formula is that the distance of a point from a line is given by if equation of a line is r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar, then formula of a distance is equal to under root alpha minus a bar bracket square minus alpha minus a bar dot b bar upon modulus of b bar, where alpha is a point. Okay, then length of the note that length of the perpendicular is same as the distance of a point from a line. It means if we have calculated the length of the perpendicular line, then here we can use this formula, that is alpha minus a bar bracket square minus alpha bar minus a bar into b bar upon modulus of b bar bracket square. Okay, next example is next formula is distance between lines. If we have given two lines, equation of it two lines, and we have to find the distance between these two lines, then we have to use the formula, that is a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar upon modulus of b1 cross b2. Okay, and note that if two lines are intersected, if and only if shortest distance is 0, it means if the shortest distance is 0, then these two lines are intersect, and suppose two lines are intersect, then their shortest distance is 0, and that's why here the word is used, that is if and only if. One condition is given, then second condition is we have to prove, that is two lines are intersect. Third formula is that the distance between parallel lines. Suppose we have given two parallel lines, that is r bar is equal to a1 bar plus lambda b bar and r bar is equal to a2 bar plus lambda b bar. These are the two lines we have given. Then to find the distance between parallel line, we have to use the formula d is equal to a2 bar minus a1 bar cross b1 cap, that is modulus of a2 bar minus a1 bar cross b1 cap. Okay, so these are the formulas. Now let's see the exercise 6.2. Okay, so first example is that, see here, find the length of the perpendicular from point to the line x plus 1 upon 2 y minus 3 upon 3 is equal to z plus 1 upon minus 1. So this is the Cartesian equation is given, and the point is given. So we have to find the length of the perpendicular. Length of the perpendicular, here I have written that length of the perpendicular is same as the distance of a point from line. It means we have to calculate the distance of a point to the line x plus 1 upon 2 y minus 3 upon 3 z plus 1 upon minus 1. So we have to use the formula alpha bar minus a bar bracket square minus alpha bar minus a bar b bar upon modulus of b bar bracket square. But we have given the Cartesian equation. So vector equation is that, here we have given in first problem, find the length of perpendicular from 2 minus 3 1 to the line x plus 1 upon 2 y minus 3 upon 3 z plus 1 upon 1. So point is given, that is point is 2 minus 3 1. So alpha bar is equal to 2i minus 3j plus 1k. Okay, so Cartesian equation is given. So Cartesian equation is x plus 1 upon 2 y minus 3 upon 3 is equal to z plus 1 upon minus 1. So we can write z minus 1 upon 2 y minus 3 upon 3, and here z plus 1 we can write z minus 1 upon minus 1. So here a bar is equal to minus 1i plus 3j minus 1k. So here a bar is and b bar is 2i plus 3j माइनस के। यहाँ पे डायरेक्शन रेशियोज में दिया है तो उससे वो क्या हो रहता है, पैरेलल रहता है गिवन लाइन को. सो वी कैन राइट बी बार इज इक्वल टू 2i प्लस 3j माइनस के एंड हियर ए बार इज इक्वल टू -1 माइनस 3j माइनस के. सो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? अल्फा माइनस ए बार ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर अल्फा माइनस ए बार डॉट बी बार अपॉन मॉड्यूलस ऑफ बी बार. सो फर्स्ट फाइंड अल्फा माइनस ए बार. सो अल्फा माइनस ए बार is equal to alpha is 2i minus 3j plus k and a bar is minus I plus 3j minus k, which is equal to 2 minus minus plus, that is 3i minus 3 minus 3 minus 6j and minus minus plus k, that is 2k. So 3i minus 6j plus 2k, alpha bar minus a bar. Okay, next we have to find alpha bar minus a bar bracket square. So alpha bar minus a bar मॉड्यूलस ऑफ a square. So alpha माइन मॉड्यूलस अंडर रूट रहता है तो स्क्वायर के लिए सिर्फ रूट मतलब 3 स्क्वायर प्लस 6 स्क्वायर प्लस 2 स्क्वायर, दैट इज 3 स्क्वायर 9 36 प्लस 4 यानी कि 49. So alpha minus a modulus of square is equal to 49. Then we have to find alpha minus a bar डॉट बी बार. डॉट प्रोडक्ट हमें फॉर्मूले के लिए हमें क्या करना है, फाइंड आउट करना है. तो अल्फा बार माइनस ए बार डॉट बी बार इज इक्वल टू अल्फा बार माइनस ए बार वी हैव ऑलरेडी फाइंड आउट, दैट इज 3i माइनस 6j प्लस 2k एंड बी बार इज इक्वल टू 2i प्लस 3j माइनस k. ओके, देन dot product 3 2s are 6 minus 6 into 3 minus 18 and 2 into 1 minus 2, that is 6 minus 2 4 minus 18 minus 14. Okay, so alpha bar minus a bar is given. Now substitute the value modulus of b bar. So modulus of b bar is equal to under root, what is the value of b bar? 2 3 minus 1, that is 4 9 1. 9 plus 1 10, 10 is equal to 14, that is root 14. Then use the formula and substitute. So what is the formula? Alpha bar minus a bar modulus of square minus alpha bar minus a bar dot b bar upon modulus of b bracket square under root. Okay, so what is the value of alpha bar minus a bar? So alpha bar minus a bar bracket square is equal to 49. So under root 49 minus, what is the value of dot product? Dot product is minus 14. So minus 14 and modulus of b is root 14 and this is the square. Okay, so root 49 minus square positive and 14 is square, that is 14 into 14 upon and root 14 is square 14. So 14 cancel, that is 49 minus 14, 9 minus 4 6, 4 minus 1 9 minus 4 5 and 4 minus 1 3, that is under root 35. So it is the distance, length of the perpendicular from the point to the line. Okay, now next example is that find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular. Third example is find the shortest distance between the lines r bar, and two lines are given and we have to find the shortest distance. Okay, so distance between two lines is here we have to use the formula a2 minus a1 b1 cross b2 upon b1 cross b2. Okay, so here r bar is equal to 4i minus j plus lambda I plus 2j minus 3k. So here this is the a1 lambda, this is the b1. Okay, next line is I minus j plus 2k plus mu I plus 4j minus 5k. So a2 plus mu b2. So here we have to use the formula, that is a2 minus a and b1 cross b2. So D is equal to under root A2 minus A1 into B1 cross B2 upon modulus of B1 cross B2. So first find A2 minus A1. So A2 minus A1 is equal to A2 minus A1, I minus j plus 2k, and A1 is 4i minus j. So I minus 4j minus 3j. Then minus j minus minus plus j cancel, and this is the 2k, that is a plus 2k. Then B1 cross B2. B1 cross B2, I j k. B1 is 1 2 minus 3 and B2 is 1 4 minus 5. 1 4 minus 5. So after solving this determinant we get 2i plus 2j plus 2k. So modulus of B1 cross B2 is equal to 4 plus 4 plus 4, that is 12 under root 12. Under root 12 we can write 4 into 3, that is 2 root 3. So now we can use the formula, that is D is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 minus 3j plus 2k. Then B1 cross B2, 2i plus 2j plus 2k, and upon modulus of B1 cross B2, 2 root 3. So here in both vectors have the dot product. So minus 2 into 0 0, minus 3 into 2 minus 6, plus 2 into 2 4 upon 2 root 3, that is minus 2 upon 2 root 3, that is 2 to cancel, that is minus 1 upon root 3. But here we have given, that is the modulus, that is the positive, that is the distance is always positive, so take the only consider the positive value. So D is equal to 1 upon root 3. Okay.